And guess who's back? Me. I had my last exam in college yesterday. Last ever college exam. And today I decided to vlog because I'm doing like a degree show kind of thing in a gallery. And we're just setting it up, and I just thought that would be a good thing to kind of look back on in a year's time or whatever. So I'm bringing you along with me, and you get to see all my college friends. I'm sure they won't be happy about this vlog, but they'll thank me next year. Anyway, I'm about to drive off, and yeah, as you can see, I'm in a different car. My car is still in the mechanics. Story of my life. Yeah. We'll just not talk about that. Who else is obsessed with the, oh god. Well, that was great. That was great. I can't talk. Who else is obsessed with the Lewis Capaldi Hold Me While You Wait song? Who else is obsessed with the Ed Sheeran and Justin Bieber new song? And who else is obsessed with the new James Arthur song? Those three are on repeat every single day. So that's what I'm going to listen to right now. But I don't want to get copyrighted, so cue the music. Oh god, I haven't done this in such a long time. I don't know what I'm doing.
Hold me while you wait. I wish that I was good enough. If only I could wake you up, my love, my love, my love, my love. Won't you stay away? Tell me more.
Hello. This is what we've done. We have to bring them to gallery now. Fun times. Say hi, Sadia. You're gonna love me for this next year when you're looking back at this. Oh look, we wore our cycling shorts today. Yeah! Yeah, right. If you guys haven't tried the raspberry, what is it? Strawberry lemonade? Strawberry lemonade. It's so good. It literally tastes like melted like ice cream. So good. You're okay. We're having McDonald's, by the way.
Okay. This feels like a completely different type of shoot to me. Yeah. I'm gonna ask Jackie. He's gonna say the exact same thing.
No, it's gonna be weird now.
No, it isn't.
It is.
No, it isn't. It'll be fine. Go on, you might as well.
What are you doing?
You might as well do it. I have the camera now. You might as well do it. You might as well do it. I have the camera. Yeah, go on. Yeah, it won't be weird. It won't be weird. It won't be weird. It won't be weird. Jack, come here for a sec. Marta, come here for a sec. Come here for a sec. Come here. Come here, come here. Marta, sit down. Sit down. Sit down. There you go. I didn't even have to ask you. I was like, what does this remind you of? Is this your first time here?
Oh god. Hello. Why are you so awkward? Let Jack talk. He's used to talking.
Hey, Marta's vlog. We're heading out to get ice cream predominantly. We've only decided this just now, and she's getting thesis done as a secondary. Ice cream first, thesis second.
Yeah, look, I have a free cone. Wait,
A free cone?
a free cone from
Yes.
McDonald's Monopoly. Go. Yeah. Anyway,
This whole time I thought you were saying a free cone.
cone. Oh God.
Cut it out.
We're currently in Rathcar. Look at those houses.
Am I still going straight?
Cycle fast! Okay, you can cut that out, that's really embarrassing.
Cycle fast.
Yeah, you're still going straight. Actually, no, you're not. Okay, I need to stop recording.
Okay, he's gonna have to let me in.
He won't because he's in a Range Rover.
Oopsies.
I'm sure it'll be fine. You won't hit anyone if you just go that way with it.
Just stick on your indicator there now.
Yeah, he looks like me. That way!
Jeez, he's a sturdy fella up on the bike there, isn't he?
Tis. Fine build, fine build. Fine calves on him.
Oh, no, yeah.
The cast
Zoom into that.
How do I do that?
Bicycle man.
Oh.
Do you like the castle drive?
Gone. On the red light.
Oh no.
Blue.
Yes,
Yeah,
he's in a Range Rover, he's obviously not going to let us
My
in.
dad goes around over. How dare you?
Yikes.
I know, he doesn't ever let anyone in.
She's not wearing a helmet. You guys, everyone should wear a helmet when they're cycling.
I don't know if I'm allowed to go straight.
People like you should wear a helmet when they're walking.
Wow.
Oh, it's so true. I can't even take offense.
I have never driven to town. Ever.
Ever?
Ever.
No.
Ever. You never, ever. You ever.
It's straight, yeah?
Yeah.
Parking?
No, but I'll fill him up to the point at where you're
It's
parking.
parallel parking as well.
Ooh, this is real nice.
You can put this green as well.
Never been to town. Ever.
That's why she's so excited when we go places.
Yeah.
You can cut half this out, can't you?
Yeah.
Thanks.
I'll have great fun editing that.
Keep all the parts with Laura.
And here skirt, skirt.
We're going over the bridge!
Scottish.
I don't know what that was. See, I can't do a Polish
do it,
accent,
just
so
do it
I
back
just
out.
do like... It should be somewhere here.
We're 2 minutes away. If you see a spot, just park it.
Yeah, man.
Oh, the Bernard Shaw.
Where is that?
It's
Just
there.
here?
Isn't it not? Yeah.
Is that where we're going? Yeah?
Yeah. Isn't it? Is that the Bernard Shaw?
You're asking me, I don't...
Yeah, the Bernard Shaw.
Oh, so this is where we're going?
Yeah, and there's Eat Yard in there.
Deadly. Oh, cool. Okay, straight?
Yeah. Okay, cool. Straight?
Sure.
Yes, straight.
We're on the field.
We wish they were on the beach, but we are not on the beach.
No, we're not on the beach.
I wish I was on the beach.
Laura. Yeah. Hi.
Oh,
Yeah. We're chilling. That is really, really good. And yeah. Can anybody do one? Alana, I bet you can. A cartwheel. I actually can. I'm very Go. Can't do it. No.
I don't want to do it in case
I'm gonna try. Here, come on, let's try.
I just like it. Well, you're wearing the shorts. You guys are wearing the shorts. You gotta do the cartwheel.
Hey, Darren.
Is this a picture or a video?
This is a vlog.
Where did you park, Laura?
There's footage later on when you're reviewing your footage later on when you're reviewing your footage. And you're reviewing your footage later on, you'll see this. Bombs away to boats that come into the coast from Poland, and they all get off and stay.
No.
Oh my god.
How do you zoom with this?
It's a fixed lens.
You can't zoom.
Yeah, exactly.
Ross, I'll be the judge of that.
Just move closer to the subject. That's how you zoom. You gotta put your arm out, long arms.
Long arm Benny.
No, oh god.
Here is Laura, is Madeline, and is Alana.
Is this our Russian
Aladdin.
Aladdin. There's Adam.
Aladdin.
Wait a minute, it's a camera.
Wait. What are you thinking right now?
Well, I'm thinking my face looks real fat, bitch.
Does not.
We're going to have to call someone.
Oh, what angle is that? Oh, up there. Look, there's Atlanta.
Hey,
There's Aunt Heather.
hello.
Don't drop that camera, she will shoot you.
I'm all alcohol.
There's the boys.
Where's the boys?
Hey, boys.
You see, you're real boys.
They're not real boys.
Oh no.
Dude, let me get a shot of this, dude. This is good shit.
That's it.
No, that's some content. Oh, that's beautiful.
This doesn't work in here. Would you just rather reschedule or go back to the college and watch it there?
Go back to college.
Go back to college?
You get fucked up in college now.
That's true.
Can we just go home?
What's going wrong? And why?
Wait.
Reschedule.
Hey, Connor.
Right, hands up for rescheduling.
My guy.
Hands up for just going back to college.
I don't mind.
Where are you gonna film it? Where are you gonna watch it?
20 people didn't put up their hand for either option.
Yeah.
I think they might get
We
it
decided
working
to
now.
plug your camera. And then they turned it into a porno.